How to lower fleet maintenance costs with Samsara. When budgets are tight and time is short, it's tempting to put off maintenance until it's too late. But running your vehicles until they break actually costs you more time and money. Last-minute repairs can be up to 4 times more expensive than scheduled ones. Samsara gives you real-time visibility into your maintenance needs and makes it easier to manage your maintenance activities, helping you lower costs and reduce vehicle downtime. Preventative maintenance is part of Samsara's complete platform for fleet safety, efficiency, and compliance. Samsara collects data directly from each vehicle's onboard diagnostics port to help you proactively spot issues such as failing batteries and engine faults. The Maintenance Overview tab shows you the status of your fleet at a glance, so you can quickly identify vehicles that might need service. The Samsara Driver app makes it simple for drivers to complete pre- and post-trip inspections, add photos, and submit reports using just their smartphones. These paperless DVIRs can help drivers save time and be viewed instantly by your mechanic. Using these DVIRs, you can quickly decide if a vehicle is still safe to drive or whether it needs immediate repair. When you send a vehicle in for repair or for a regular checkup, your mechanic can make notes about the service and its costs. And you can see when the last service was performed on all your vehicles. You can set up regular checkups based on actual mileage, time, or engine hours, so your mechanics can prevent issues before they happen. Samsara makes it easier to stay on top of your future maintenance activities. You can see which services are coming up. And you can even set up alerts to be notified of issues as soon as they're detected. Effective fleet maintenance is a shared responsibility between fleet managers, drivers, and mechanics. Samsara's powerful integrated platform helps you get every member of your team on the same page. Sign up for your free trial today to learn more about how Samsara can help maximize vehicle uptime while minimizing maintenance costs.